Welcome to Artistic Mansoori Sisters. In this video, we will show you how to make beautiful Rangoli designs with homemade tools. So, let's get started. For this, you have to take empty glue bottles or you can also take any small bottles. For making dots, you can use empty glue bottles or you can also make paper cones. Make all the dots as shown. With the help of the spoon, spread the dots as shown. Use your fingers to make small holes in the middle of the dots. And guys, please watch the video till the end and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Let's move to the second one. And for this, you have to use the same glue bottle as we have used in the last Rangoli design. Spread the colors with the help of the spoon carefully. Use any bangle for making the circle and spread the color evenly. Now put another color and spread it evenly. Now remove the bangle very carefully and make all the dots similarly. With the help of toothpick or any stick, make the designs. Sprinkle the color with the help of any empty talcum powder bottle. Give a final touch to your rangoli. And yes, it's done. If you like the video, please tell us in the comment section and make sure you hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.